Welcome back to Filmoments tutorials. Today's video, I will show you how to do Vanish mode on Instagram. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button to be updated with our latest upload. First, open your Play Store or App Store and make sure that you are running the latest version of Instagram. If you see any update, go ahead and update the app and restart your Instagram. Now let's go back to our home screen and open our Instagram app. Tap on the DM icon on the upper right, then tap on any message. So to turn on Vanish mode, all you have to do is to swipe up all the way until you see the falling yellow balloons. That means that you're already in Vanish mode. Let's try to type any message, okay? Now to return back to normal mode, all you have to do is repeat the process, swipe up all the way until you return back to normal mode. So that's it guys, I hope you learned something from this video. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, it will really help our channel create more videos like this for you. Until next time, bye for now.